People were building wind-powered cars since at least the 1960s. Recent Veritasium's videos of Blackbird running downwind faster than the wind have generated a huge surge in public interest in the topic. That is how I learned about it. The videos convinced me that Blackbird ran downwind faster than the wind. I am sure that Blackbird did not disprove any fundamental law of physics, including the conservation of energy. The wide interest in the subject stirred debates about the underlying physics of Blackbird's performance. One of the yet unsettled debates is about the energy sources that drive Blackbird's motion. There is general agreement that Blackbird gets energy from the wind. Whether the ground is also a source of energy is still debatable. I would like to argue that Blackbird gets all its energy from the wind, and that the ground is not a source of energy. If the ground were a source of any part of Blackbird's energy, it would have to lose some of its own energy. If the ground were losing kinetic energy, some of its parts would have to be moving before the arrival of Blackbird, and then move slower after Blackbird has passed. That does not happen. Therefore, the ground was not a source of kinetic energy. The ground did not cool off after the passage of Blackbird. Therefore, the ground was not a source of thermal energy. The ground was not a source of elastic energy, like that stored in a compressed spring. Blackbird was running on level surfaces. It did not lose height. Therefore, the ground was not a source of potential energy. A similar argument applies to other kinds of energy, except for wind energy. I am not aware of quantitative measurement of differences in regional wind energy before and after the passage of Blackbird. I believe that such differences exist. That leaves the wind as the only source of Blackbird's energy. The propeller extracts the energy from the wind. The gear and the rest of the structure distributes that energy, so that part of it moves the car, and another part spins the propeller. More details could be found in the video, How Blackbird Works, at the channel Physics for Architects. Thank you for your attention.